Welcome to Bangladesh, a country that explodes with life. Here, the senses are always on high alert. The air is thick with humidity, spiced with the aromas of street food. The streets burst into a symphony of color and sound, with rickshaws weaving through traffic, their horns blaring. People bustle about their day, their faces etched with stories. This is a land of contrasts. Lush green rice paddies stretch as far as the eye can see, punctuated by the shimmering blue of rivers and ponds. The villages are tranquil, a world away from the chaotic energy of the cities. But everywhere, there is a sense of vibrancy, of life being lived to the fullest. Forget your preconceived notions. This isn't the poverty-stricken, disaster-prone nation the media often portrays. It's a place of immense beauty, rich culture, and resilient people. A place that will grab you by the soul and leave you wanting more. So come with me, let's explore Bangladesh together. Let's get lost in its vibrant tapestry. Let's dive into its heart and soul. Bangladesh is a country sculpted by water. Rivers snake through its landscape, their veins branching out to form a vast network of waterways. The mighty Padma, the Jamuna, the Meghna, they all converge here, creating a fertile delta that sustains life. This abundance of water gives Bangladesh its unique character. The land is a patchwork of greens and blues. Emerald rice paddies blanket the countryside, reflecting the sunlight like countless tiny mirrors. Villages rise from the water's edge, their houses built on stilts. Fishermen cast their nets in the rivers, their silhouettes stark against the setting sun. This is a place where nature reigns supreme, where the rhythm of life is dictated by the ebb and flow of the tides, where the air is clean and the silence is broken only by the chirping of birds and the gentle lapping of water. This is Bangladesh in its purest form, a symphony of greens and blues that will captivate your senses and soothe your soul. The true beauty of Bangladesh lies in its people. They are warm, welcoming, and incredibly resilient. They have faced countless challenges, natural disasters, poverty, political turmoil, yet they remain unbound. Their spirit is infectious, their smiles disarming. You see it in the eyes of the farmer, toiling under the hot sun, his face creased with the wisdom of generations. You hear it in the laughter of the children playing in the streets, their joy unburdened by the weight of the world. You feel it in the hospitality of the locals, who will invite you into their homes and share their meager meals with you. This is a land where community is paramount, where people look out for one another, where traditions are honored and family ties run deep, where faith provides solace and hope. It is the people of Bangladesh who give this country its heart and soul. They are the reason you will fall in love with this place. Dhaka, a city that pulsates with energy, a chaotic, vibrant mess of humanity. The streets are a cacophony of sound car horns, rickshaw bells, vendors hawking their wares. The air is thick with the aroma of spices, diesel fumes, and street food. This is a city that never sleeps. The sidewalks are lined with food stalls, each one offering its own unique culinary delights. From steaming bowls of fuchka crispy semolina shells filled with spiced potatoes and chickpeas, to sizzling plates of biryani, fragrant rice cooked with meat and vegetables, the options are endless. Don't be afraid to dive in. Grab a plastic stool, order a plate of whatever catches your eye, and savor the flavors. The food here is bold, spicy, and full of life. It's a reflection of the city itself, a chaotic, vibrant, and utterly delicious assault on the senses. Venture beyond the bustling streets of Dhaka, and you'll discover a whole new world of culinary delights. Each region of Bangladesh boasts its own unique flavors and specialties. In the south, along the Bay of Bengal, seafood reigns supreme. Freshly caught fish, prawns, and crabs are grilled over charcoal fires or cooked in rich, aromatic curries. Head north, and you'll find dishes influenced by the neighboring Indian state of West Bengal. Hilsa fish, a national delicacy, is cooked in countless ways, steamed, fried, or cooked in a mustard gravy. Don't miss the chance to try bappa pitha steamed rice cakes filled with coconut and jaggery, a sweet treat that embodies the essence of Bengali cuisine. From street food to home-cooked meals, the culinary landscape of Bangladesh is as diverse as its people. It's a testament to the country's rich history, its cultural influences, and its deep connection to the land. The Sundarbans, a place where the land meets the sea, a vast mangrove forest crisscrossed by rivers and creeks, home to a breathtaking array of flora and fauna, including the majestic Royal Bengal Tiger. Step into this watery wilderness and you'll feel a sense of awe. The air is thick with humidity, the silence broken only by the calls of birds and the rustling of leaves. The water is murky, reflecting the dense canopy of trees overhead. Keep your eyes peeled. You might just spot a crocodile lurking beneath the surface. This is a place of raw beauty and untamed nature. A place where life and death are in constant balance. Where the roar of the tiger echoes through the trees, a reminder of the wild heart that beats within this extraordinary ecosystem. Cox's Bazar, a seemingly endless stretch of golden sand kissed by the turquoise waters of the Bay of Bengal. The longest natural sea beach in the world, a place where the sky meets the sea in a breathtaking panorama. Feel the sand between your toes, the salty air on your skin. Watch the waves crash against the shore, their rhythm hypnotic and soothing. Listen to the cacophony of sounds, children playing, vendors hawking their wares, the gentle hum of conversation. This is a place where life unfolds at a slower pace, where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the city and simply be. Whether you're seeking solitude or adventure, Cox's Bazar has something to offer everyone. It's a place to reconnect with nature, to lose yourself in the beauty of the world, and to find solace in the simple pleasures of life. Section 8. Echoes of Empires, Architectural Marvels. Bangladesh bears the imprints of empires past. From ancient Buddhist kingdoms to Mughal rule, the country's history is etched in its architecture. The 60-dome mosque, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a testament to the grandeur of the Bengal Sultanate. Its intricate terracotta ornamentation and imposing structure evoke a sense of awe and wonder. Explore the ruins of the Buddhist Vihara at Paharpur, a sprawling complex that once housed thousands of monks. Wander through the Mughal-era Lalbagh Fort in Dhaka, its unfinished beauty hinting at a story left untold. Each brick, each archway whispers tales of a glorious past. These architectural marvels are more than just stone and mortar. They are tangible links to Bangladesh's rich history, a reminder of the empires that rose and fell, leaving behind a legacy of art, culture, and resilience. Section 9. The Spirit of Bangladesh, Festivals and Traditions. Bangladesh's cultural tapestry is woven with vibrant threads of festivals and traditions. Pohela Boishakh, the Bengali New Year, is celebrated with colorful processions, music, and traditional food. Durga Puja, a Hindu festival honoring the goddess Durga, sees the country come alive with elaborate pandals and devotional fervor. Eid ul-Fitr, marking the end of Ramadan, is a time for family gatherings, feasts, and the exchange of gifts. Every festival, every ritual is an expression of the Bangladeshi spirit, a spirit of joy, resilience, and community. These celebrations are a testament to the country's diverse religious and cultural heritage. They offer a glimpse into the soul of Bangladesh, a land where tradition and modernity coexist, where faith and festivity intertwine. Section 10. Navigating the tide's environmental challenges. Bangladesh faces formidable environmental challenges. Its low-lying delta is highly susceptible to the impacts of climate change. Rising sea levels, frequent cyclones, and river erosion threaten the lives and livelihoods of millions. The Sundarbans, a vital ecosystem and a natural barrier against storms, is under threat from deforestation and pollution. The country's rapid urbanization and industrialization are putting a strain on its natural resources. The challenges are real, but so is the spirit of resilience. Bangladesh is at the forefront of climate change adaptation, pioneering innovative solutions to mitigate the impacts. From cyclone shelters to floating gardens, the country is finding ways to navigate the tides of change. Section 11. Preserving Paradise, a call to action. Bangladesh is a country of immense beauty and resilience. From its lush landscapes to its vibrant culture, it has the power to captivate the soul. But this paradise is facing threats. both natural and man-made. The responsibility to protect this treasure lies with all of us. Supporting sustainable tourism initiatives, raising awareness about climate change, and advocating for responsible environmental policies are crucial steps. Let's work together to ensure that future generations can experience the magic of Bangladesh. Let's preserve this paradise for all to cherish. Let the symphony of greens and blues continue to enchant. Let the roar of the Royal Bengal Tiger echo through the Sundarbans, and let the spirit of Bangladesh shine bright for generations to come.